You will never lose your money in this swing trading after watching this video, and watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you will not need to watch another video. I am sure about this. If you watch this video carefully, then your small portfolio will grow so fast. In this video we are going to discuss how anybody who does have or does not have knowledge about the trading can also make money within 5 to 10 days, and he does not have to sit front of the screen all day, because with the help of this strategy he can decide in 5 minutes when to buy and when to sell the stock. Yes, this is not a joke. He needs just 5 minutes a day and he can generate income from the stock market. This strategy is well tested. I use this strategy when I trade. If you are interested to make a money in the stock market, then this video is for you. And if you cannot give a 5 minutes to the stock market and you do not have an interest in making money in the stock market, then this video isn't for you. Let's go to my computer screen and let's see how does it work. So attention please. Now I'm going to discuss about the strategy. This is our chart, and make this chart in candlestick, and be sure that there should be a day candle. Okay, so what you have to do, that you have to go to the indicator section, and you have to write it simple moving average or moving average. Moving average. Okay, so here is we have moving average, and you have to setting it little bit. Length should be 45. This is the key, that you have to take a length of previous 45 candles. So after this you will have the average price of 45 days. So here is key, like as you can see, all the prices always bounce when it touch to the 45 moving average. So here you can see, I will show you. You can see here, you can see here. So how many chances you get to invest? You can invest here. If you invest here, you will have a move of you can earn maximum 21%. You can earn that time. If you invested here, you could earn around 21%. So here is the power of this indicator. So as you can see, if you invest here, so here you can earn 13%. You can earn here 13.81%. So how many chances you get? You get one chance, second chance, third chance. With the help of this indicator, you cannot find everyday trade. This is the lack of this indicator. You cannot, and even you don't have to trade every day. If you have this kind of trade, 5 to 7 trade in a month, like you can earn within 10 to 20 days, or within 10 to 15 days you can earn 20%. Is that enough? It's a lot. So even we can test it another stocks, like as you can see, here is another one. Okay, so Goldman Sachs Group. So here you can see you have opportunity to trade here. You have opportunity to trade here. If you invested here, then from here you could earn around 52%. If you invested here, you could earn around 33%. And now listen carefully when to invest here. like if we zoom in, you have to need a green candle near to the moving average, near to the 45 moving average. You have to change it. When you go to the section of the indicator, when you select the moving average indicator, then you have to change the candle, the length of the candles, like 45 days. So then here you will have a average price of previous 45 days. So whenever the price will close to the moving average, then you have to invest. But if price go to the below to the moving average, you have to sell the stock. You have to buy only those stock who is you have to buy just only those stock that is on the moving average, not below the moving average. If something below the moving average, you can short the stock from here and you can earn it. If stock is on the moving average, if you find any green candle near to the moving average, you can buy their stock and you can earn a good profit within a month, within a few days. So here is another one. So here is another one. You can see in every chart you have lot of opportunity. There is a Boeing stock. Here you can see how many percent you can earn. Here you can see here. If you invested here, you could earn around 36%. If you invested here, you could earn around 30%. So this is the way how you should trade, this is just for swing trading. It's not for long-term trading. If you want that I should bring more video on long-term trading, long-term investment and swing and intraday, then you should tell me in the comment. I will bring it that one too. So here is, I just want to share my strategy, how I trade, how you can make money from the stock market. And the main thing is, you have to select, you have many shares, you have to have you should have a everyday homework, that in this Saturday and Sunday you have to search this stock and you have to make your watch list. You have to put those stock watch lists that are coming down and they are on, first of all they are trading on the moving average, above the moving average, and the main thing is they are coming to their average price of 45 days. And when you see some candle like here on the moving average, green candle, you can invest in, and then you can put your stop loss in the end of that green candle or previous red candle. This should be your maximum stop loss. Stop loss place below it. If it go below and down, then sell this stock. Otherwise, in the most of time, you will have a really good profit. Your losses will be really few and your profit will be too much. So this was the video, my friends. If you have more, if you want to get more information about it, if you want I make more video about it, please subscribe the channel and comment below and let me know. Then I will bring it more video for you. Till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.